repairing relationships, understanding, patching things up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and its fascinating phrases. Today, we're exploring a common expression you might have heard, patching things up. This phrase is widely used in both personal and professional contexts, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of patching things up. Patching things up is an idiomatic expression that means to repair or resolve a disagreement, misunderstanding, or relationship. Imagine a garment with a tear. You would patch it up to make it whole again. Similarly, this phrase metaphorically suggests fixing what has been damaged, but in the context of relationships or situations, not physical objects. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, from mending friendships after a fight to resolving conflicts at work. It emphasizes the effort and intention to return to a positive or functional state. To better understand how to use this expression, let's look at some examples. 1. After a misunderstanding. They had a huge argument last week, but they're talking now. They're really trying to patch things up. 2. In a professional context, the two companies had a dispute over the contract, but they're patching things up with a new agreement. 3. In personal relationships. I know we've had our differences, but I want to patch things up and move forward. These examples show that regardless of the context, the goal is to resolve conflicts and restore harmony. Patching things up is not just about saying sorry. It's about meaningful action. Here are some tips. 1. Acknowledge the issue. The first step is recognizing there's something to fix. 2. Communicate. Open, honest communication is key. Share your feelings and listen. 3. Compromise. Often, both sides might need to give a little to find a solution. 4. Forgive. Letting go of grudges or resentment is crucial for genuine reconciliation. Remember, the process can take time, and patience is essential. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to patch things up, and how you can apply this in your daily interactions. Whether it's a small disagreement with a friend or a larger issue at work, knowing how to effectively resolve conflicts is a valuable skill in any language. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and growing.